After you download the Nutrebem app, you will need to add your child. Click on the green button, Cadastrar Novo Aluno. Input their full name, their birthday, and select the school from the drop-down box. Don't forget to add their grade. Then click on the green button. Upper school students can download the app as well. This way, your student can make purchases at the canteen using the Nutrebem balance. This screen allows you to create a code for your son or daughter to input into their app to pay for their meals directly at the canteen. This is an option for upper school students only. Select the child you want to add a balance for. The minimum amount is 40 reais per child. You can pay via boleto or credit card. To purchase meals, select your son or daughter's name from the list. Click on the yellow button, select the date, select weekday, then click on the yellow button. Select the lunch combo and/or snacks for that day. Click the green button to finish the transaction. Congratulations! Your child's meal will be delivered. Please follow these steps for each of your children.